Hi guys, today I'm going to explain the variables and booleans in a Python language. First of all, I'm going to start with the variables. So what is the variables is variables play a very important role in most programming language. So if you look for Java, if you're looking for JavaScript, if you look at PHP, if you look for any type of language, for most type of languages in computer languages, variables is very important to learn about. Now in Python as well, but we need to know what is variables when we have a value assigning to specific name. That is a variable. So how to use this a variable in Python? So in the variable, we just put, for example, if I want to put x equal 10. So now I assigned the variable x that equal 10. So my x is equal to 10. When I type a print, it shows me rather than I put 10 the same previously when I did. So for example, previously we have to do print 10 directly, and when you run it, it shows me 10. But now with variables, I can say x equal 10. Then rather than I type a print, but rather than I type 10, I type x, because now is x equal to 10. So now this 10, the value of 10 is assigned by the name of x. So when I run it, it shows me 10. This is the variable. Sometimes the variable is important to use it because now it shows a very simple example. But in the future, when you go more harder levels in Python language, we're going to be use that in more complex implementation. So it's important to know what is the variable. So for example, if I said now I know that x equal 10. So if I said a print to me, if I said x equal 10, then I type x plus 5, then I said print x, then run. No, because print x. If I said y equal to x plus 10, then I said print y, run shows me 15. So now the y, when I type y equal x plus 5, the computer will know already that the value of x is 10, because the 10 value is assigning with the name x, and give me 15. The same thing is variable is gonna be useful to use a variable in different performing corresponding operations, different actions. It's a different performing different interactive with the user, different interaction with the user. So that different thing you use the variable. And as well, I can using with editor the same. When I did that in the operation, we can use the operation. Now let's go with another example called booleans. Booleans is another type in Python. Another important type in Python is called boolean. Boolean is all about two things have got true or false. If when I have things or the statement it be yes, it will be happen, then it's true. If that statement it will not happen, then false. So let's see example. For example, if I said 7 bigger than 5, is 7 bigger than 5 in the real? Yes. So that will show me true. That means that my statement is true because 7 is bigger than 5. But if I said 10 smaller than 10, is this 10 smaller than 10? That it's wrong. When it's show me false. That is Boolean statement. It shows me that I use false thing. If I say 10 equal equal to 10 and I run it, no, it should be double. Should be double equal. If I said 10 double equal 10, it shows me true. Yes, true. So that the Boolean is responsible to show me if my statement that I write it is true or false, is happen or not happen, is wrong or right. It helped me to do the compression. It helped me to do logically thing, using with logic as well. So if I know in Boolean logic, I have 3 types of logic. So I have or, I have and I have not. Then, for example, if I said 1 equal to, let's say 10 equal to 10, and then I'm gonna say and, this is the first logic Boolean, 15 equal to 15. So when I run it, it gives me true because 10 equal to 10 and 15 equal to 15. But in case if I said 10 equal to 10 and 15 smaller than 15, then when I run it, it shows me false. Even my first statement beginning is true, but because all my statement is include one thing is not incorrect, because I said 10 equal 10 and 15 smaller than 15. No, that's wrong. So when I use and logic operation, I have to be careful. Should all my statement become right? With Boolean or, no. If I said 10 equal to 10 or 15 bigger than 15, when I run it, shows me true, because I said even this or this is true. So one of them, it should with my statement, one of my statement should be true to able to show me that my statement is true. And with a logic not, I type not 1 10 equal to 10. Then in this case, when I run it, shows me false, because 10 equal to 10, no, is equal. If I said, which would be opposite the operations. If in the real is it true, if I put not, it shows me false. If it's in the real is false and I put not, it should me true, which be opposite. If I said not 10 bigger than 10, and here we run it, shows me true. So now it shows me which one is happen, which one is not happen. That is logically operations. And another thing there is we have operator proceedness, when we have to use per model, percentage, when we have smaller, bigger, and, or, not, is not. These type operator present, it's so important to know about it when we use it, because might be when you do bigger implementation, we need some of these operations. So this is the Boolean, this is the variables. If you have any questions, please put it in the first comment. If you are happy with my video, please subscribe to my channel, and thank you very much for listening.